The video that I did today, first, you will know that I highlighted something very important. On that video, I was talking or we were discussing about the insurance registrations that NIO received, and I said that part of the reason why NIO maybe did not deliver as much is because they've been mass producing the NIO ES8. Well, the photos that I spoke about are these ones. As seen on the screen, you notice that we are seeing quite number of the NIO ES8 being loaded on the trucks, which is something that is very, very exciting. I mean, the video you will see right there that obviously the cars are being loaded. Cars are on the parking base and they are being loaded to the trucks, which is something that is very, very good, my dear friends. And it shows us that the sales director of NIO, who came over the weekend and said that they already want thousands and thousands of NIO ES8 ready for the deliveries, he was right. He was right. My dear friends, we're just counting the hours until Saturday when NIO will be launching officially the ES8, starting with the deliveries. And my dear friends, part of the reason why the NIO share price is exploding today, it's because of this model. Now, before we continue, YouTube has been telling me that some of you guys are just watching and not subscribing. Please subscribe, because I'm sure you know by now that all day, every day, I give you NIO's latest developments, latest content as to what is happening around NIO. I'm a NIO bull. I've been a NIO bull since 2020. I've been dropping videos like crazy since then. And those of you that have been on this channel, you will know that I've been doing videos about NIO like crazy. At first, when I started the channel, I was covering other stocks, but now, since a year or two ago, I've been just doing NIO videos only because I'm almost all in onto NIO. My stock market portfolio right now, I think 90% of my holdings on my stock market portfolio is on NIO, which is why I'm now just focused on this company, because I know one thing, and that is blue skies coming. So please subscribe to this channel, like this video. I'll keep the video coming, I promise you guys. Without now going back to the video, this is a sign to say that we need to brace ourselves for what's coming. Saturday, like I said, we're going to see NIO officially commencing, starting with the deliveries of the NIO ES8. And my friends, I cannot wait. I cannot wait to the insurance registrations, to the deliveries that NIO is going to report from this month. You will know that, like I said in the video where I was covering the insurance registrations, NIO need to deliver 22,100 to get to the lower side of their guidance in the last, or in 16 days. They show, yeah man, I am happy, I'm excited, and I thought I'd come and give you these latest developments, latest updates about NIO loading so many ES8 onto the trucks, preparing for the 20th. I can't tell you or guarantee you that these cars are not test drive cars, right? These are not the cars that are going to be shipped onto various NIO stores for test driving. These are the cars that are going to be delivered to those customers that have placed their pre-orders and configured the kind of cars that they want, extras, additionals, and all that. They are going to get the deliveries as early as this Saturday, which is something that is going to be so crazy. Orders, in terms of the orders that will come, I can also guarantee you that the total number of orders that NIO is going to get by just this NIO ES8, my dear friends, it's going to be so crazy. I'm telling you, you need to brace yourselves for what is coming. I mean, in previous video, I covered what Union Bank of Switzerland was saying about NIO. And that is, we need to brace ourselves for what's coming, because the L90, NIO ES8, and the share consolidation of NIO raising $1 billion, which they announced last week, which is going to obviously dilute NIO shares by 8%, outstanding shares. It is actually a good thing, and it is what is driving the market or the NIO stock price to actually rally, right? Which is something that is just so great. I mean, UBS highlighted something very interesting to say that, yes, the market share of NIO right now might be slightly lower to that of XPeng, but as we approach to Q4, we are going to see the gap between Xpeng valuation and that of NIO closing in, which is something that is great, something that makes us to look forward to what is coming onto NIO. My dear friends, blue sky is coming. Long-term will win. Those that are persevering throughout the headwinds of the share price are definitely going to be rewarded with time, because this is a company. This is a company that is set to do very well. It's a company which is set for greatness. I'm so happy today, man. Who would have thought there were so many investors, or there were some investors that thought that before NIO goes back to $7, it will go back to the 52-week low, but it is not coming. If you did not load when NIO was at $3 and you are still not loading right now, well, good luck, because in the next month or so, who knows, we might see NIO be ending the year over $10, which will be so great, so amazing and exciting, especially to those that have been loading the boat, taking the low trading price as an opportunity to increase their holdings. So my dear friends, me today, I'm happy, I'm excited, and I know one thing, and that is blue sky is coming. Those that are persevering throughout the headwinds of the share price will most definitely be rewarded with time. I like what I see. Share price is exploding. I mean, previous video when I was covering the stock price of NIO share price was below just below $7. You will see how I ended that video. I ended up showing you the exact share price of NIO just as I uploaded that video. But right now, it gives me greater joy to say that, or to see NIO share price over $7 per stock. It is great, it is amazing, it is exciting. I like what I see. I think all the new investors all over the world, especially those that have been loading the boat, taking the low trading prices opportunities to increase their holdings, are so excited. So yeah, I will see you on the next one. That is all from me, and God bless you all.